Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss about the Many2One field in Odoo 17. A Many2One field is used to link the current object to another object which acts as a parent for this object. In simple terms, when we can show the records of another model and link it with the current child model using a Many2One relation. So let us see how to give the Many2One field in Odoo 17. So as you can see here that I have installed the module that I've created. This is my custom module, that is the company management. And you can also see the contact module I have installed here. And you can see the model, that is the restaurant partner. So this is the model of the contacts here. So I am trying to create a relation between my model and the restaurant partner model using a Many2One field in my custom module that I've created, that is the company management. So let me go to the backend, and in the Python page here, as you can see, I have created a field called officer ID, and here I've given the field is the type of the field is Many2One, and I've also given the co-model. So I want this the field value to be shown in the UI to be linked with the model restaurant partner. So here you can see that I've given the specified the model restaurant partner because I want a link with the model restaurant partner. I want to show the records of the values in the model restaurant partner in my field in the custom model that I've created, that is the company employees.employees. So after giving the co-model here, I can also specify the string here. So I have given the string for this field that I've defined in my custom model. And if you go to the views here, I need to specify the field in the views. So I'm giving the field in the form view of the custom model that I've created. So as you can see that I've given the field inside the company.employee, and I've also defined it in the Python file. So after giving the code here, so let me just run the code. So after running the code, make sure that you upgrade the module because you have added a new field to the model. So let me just upgrade the custom module that I've created. So after upgrading the custom module that I've created, you can just go to the company management here, and I've given the field in the form view. So let me open the form view here. So after opening the form view, you can see the field that I've added is shown in the UI. And if you just click on it, you can see that all the records from the restaurant partner. So if you just click on it, you can just go to the internal link and you will be directed to the restaurant partner. So this is how you create a Many2One relation in Odoo 17. That's all for today. Thank you.